My name is Cash. I'm going to show you guys how to add an email sign up form to your website using Canva. So you go home on Canva, right? You want to click website. If you want to add a design, you'll go here and just click on one that you like. Let's see. So I'm going to delete this and this. And go over here to elements, and then you go down and you'll see forms. You click on forms, and then here you have a bunch to choose from. For this video, we're gonna use one of these. See, just click here, subscribe. So for this video, we'll use this because we want to get them to subscribe to your email list, right? So let's make this smaller so that it fits in. Just gonna move this up more. Essentially, I'm just trying to make room. I'm rearranging this stuff so to make room for the newsletter. All right, center it, position, boom, there we go. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom in a little so you can see. All right, so when you click on this element, all of the tools related to it are up here. So from here, you can change the color to any color you want. Let's see. Let's get some colors that match the phone. They want the colors. All right, let's change the letters black. It's kind of better. Yeah. All right, so that looks cute. Do? The boo? No. Oh my god, I forgot I was recording. So you click here, you just do your colors and things. And then you click this edit button right here, and then it allows you to customize it even more. So if you wanted to add a short, long question, which you can also, like if you do a short, you can use a short question section if you wanted to collect their name as well. You could add that, and then you'll use this new question here. You could just put name, and it'll change it here. So you can use that for that as well. If you come over here, you can make these elements required so that they would have to fill them out in order to move forward. Let's see, check boxes, a mood meter, which will look like this. You can ask your question or whatnot. They'll tell their mood. For different type of things, different type of reasons you would use these things, polls or whatever. So basically, you can create so many different types of forms here, but I'm just showing you the basically just in general how to do the email. So with the email, same here. You could change the name here to say something else. You can also go in here settings and choose to show the header or not show the header. So say if you wanted to write something here, you already have the design you wanted, and you just wanted the form here because you don't need the header, then you could take that off. The header text, so this will be here. You can change this, just change it to whatever you want. Also the label and the button, you can just type whatever you want. So you can customize it pretty much exactly how you want. And you have these forms which are required. You can preview it here. You can keep track of the information. It's not collecting any data at this point. It's not live, but when you do make it go live, you can come and check the stats on it here or here. You can look at the analytics. This is where you can publish it to the publish the website. So you can get a public link, or you can use this to link it to something, and then they will then see this page. You can click here for a website to make it go live. So you click the website option, what will it look like on the phone versus laptop, desktop version. You can see the designer view. You can go here to settings, search engine visibility, password protection, navigation menu, resize, social media link preview. You have a lot of options here. And if you wanted to publish this is where you would hit publish. Just look through and see what it is that you want to do. You can download this. So I hope this was helpful. Hope this was helpful to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know, was this easy to follow or how you'll be using this form. And thank you. I'll see you next time.